Hi, it's Hector Diaz. In the final video in our series, we're going to talk about what happens towards the end of the sales process when you close your transaction.
Whether the buyer requested repairs be made or they decided to move forward without repairs, there are a few more steps you can expect as we near the end of your transaction. It's important to remember that every deal is different and nothing is black and white. But as always, our team will be there to guide you every step of the way and answer all of your questions. Here's what to expect after the buyer decides to move forward through escrow. Address contingencies. The final accepted offer will outline certain milestones that must be accomplished within specified timeframes. Additional time may or may not be granted to satisfy certain conditions when applicable. Final walkthrough. The buyer's agent will do a final walkthrough of the property to verify that it is in the same or similar condition as what was outlined in the purchase agreement. Down payment. The buyer's down payment and any additional funds needed to close on your transaction will be paid directly to the designated escrow company, which they will distribute to you and other appropriate parties upon closing. Sign papers. The buyer will sign and send over any additional documents needed to officially close. Then, the buyer's loan will fund and record, and they will officially claim title. Congratulations, you have sold your home.
If you want to learn more about how my team and I can help you in listing your home, feel free to reach out to me today. Give me a call, text, or send me a private message below. Thanks for watching.